Welcome to ChooChooTube.
Hello everybody, today on ChooChooTube we're opening this Hello Kitty cracking pastry. Crack, 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 crack. Let's open it. This one is the Reproduce in the series and has nothing on it, it's just the plain brown toasted. So here it is on the back, it has some words, and here it's cracking. Pretty squishy. It's got Hello Kitty's signature bow, a cell phone elastic strap, and there's something inside of it. I'm not sure what it is, but it's pretty cool. Pretty sure you can annoy your teacher or parents with it. Look at it! And it's pretty loud. I got this at Sanrio by Jubilee. Thanks for watching. Please remember to share, like, subscribe, and comment. Bye! Crack, 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 crack.
Crack, 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 crack. Oh well, that's it from me and Lilo on ChooChooTube.